we can add, or the user can add an extra row of data to a two-dimensional array. Obviously, I'm going to show you a really simple method of doing it. You can make it a lot easier through using loops or subprograms to make it more efficient and look at it better. We're just going to keep it really simple today. So you can see here, I've defined my array. I'm going to print it, and you can see here I've got a set of inputs asking the user to input that data. So the first thing we need to do is create a temporary array. Okay, because what we need to do is add all these three pieces of data to this array, and then we add this whole list to this list here, because if you can imagine, two-dimensional array is like a list within lists as each row. So then what we need to do then here, we've defined our temporary array, is we need to do temp dot append, and then we need to append in the user input name. And then what we need to do is repeat this process for the various variables. Test mark 1. So then what we're doing is adding all of these to our array. If I just, so we can see the code run in a minute, just print temp for you. So what you'll see is that all of these will be added to temp, and then what we do is use exactly the same data dot append, and then the same process. But what we're doing in here instead is we're going to put the temporary array. So now, well, this is how a simple method to add a whole new row to two-dimensional arrays. We'll run the code, enter your name. So there you go. You can see the temporary arrays here, and then what it does then is add that new piece of data directly to the end here. Again, like I said, we can make this a little bit more efficient, but this is really the simplest way to get or add data to a two-dimensional array.